Good morning, students. Welcome to the bio class. Let's start with the next organelle, that is lysosome. Lysosome is present both in animal as in and in plant cells. This means it is present in eukaryotic cell. Why in eukaryotic cell, not in prokaryotic cell? Because prokaryotic cell do not have any cell organelle. Okay, class. Now let us discuss about the structure of the lysosome. Lysosome is a single membrane bound structure. Children, till now you have studied many cell organelles having double membrane. Double membrane means chloroplast. It is present in chloroplast. Nucleus also is a double membrane structure. Mitochondria is also a double membrane structure. But you have also studied about many single membrane structure. Now, what are single membrane structures? Like Golgi body you have studied, endoplasmic reticulum you have studied. Now you are studying about lysosome. This is a thick wall present around it, and inside this enzymes are present which works at acidic pH. Acidic pH means very low pH. Now, children, the function of lysosome is to perform the process of phagocytosis. Now, what is phagocytosis? How it is performed? This I will tell you in the next slide. Now, children, let us move on to the next slide. You can observe here that this is a cell. This blue color, this one is a cell. Inside the cell, this is the nucleus, and along with that, many structures are also present, which we do not need to study here. But you can also observe a small part. This is called as lysosome. Now, what is happening here is this red color is a substance entering inside the cell, and it comes and a vacuole is formed as it enters there. This vacuole is called as phagosome. Now, this one. Now, this phagosome combines with lysosome to form this structure, and this structure is now called as phagolysosome. Now, because of the enzymes present in the lysosome, it will digest this material and the undigested residue will be expelled out from the cell. This is how phagocytosis process occur. Children, if it is not clear to you, I am making a diagram over this slide. Just view it clearly. Suppose I said that this is a cell. Now inside, or I can make it on this side so that you can view it clearly. Suppose I said this is a cell. Now in the cell, lysosomes are present. I am only focusing on lysosome. So children, suppose any particle is present or any bacteria is present here. So this part will invaginate and this will come inside, and a vacuole will be formed containing the bacteria here, like this. Now this vacuole will fuse with lysosome. So final structure you will get here like this. So the enzymes present in lysosome will digest the bacteria here, and the undigested residue will be expelled out from the cell. Same you can observe here in this diagram. Half of the diagram is present here. This is a purple color structure, or we can say a bacteria is entering inside the cell. These yellow particles, these yellow ones are the lysosomes. So as this particle enters, a vacuole is formed. That vacuole is called as phagosome. This phagosome then combines with lysosome. Now you can view the next slide. I'm going to move to the next slide. Here you can clearly see it, that this brown color is the bacteria. Then from the bacteria a phagosome forms, and then phagosome combines with lysosome and phagolysosome is formed. Again it digests the food material. Here complete digestion has occurred, and the indigestible residue is expelled out from the cell. Now children, just imagine that what type of cells perform this function. I think you have studied about blood. If haven't, I'm going to introduce you a bit that blood contains blood cells. Along with the blood cells, it contains plasma and platelets. Now in the category of blood cells, you have studied about WBCs and RBCs. So WBC's function is to perform or to provide the defense to the body. Defense means it fight with the foreign particle and prepare the body to survive or to get free from the infections. So children, WBC's example, there are many types of cells which comes under this category, like macrophages, neutrophils, basophils, acidophils. Don't worry children, I will tell you the composition of blood in the next chapter, that is tissue, of class 9th. So WBCs includes macrophages, neutrophils. So they are the cells which perform this type of function. They they perform intracellular digestion and digest the foreign substances. So that occurs because of lysosomes present in the cell. So children, till now you have studied about the lysosome and its function. So let us move on to the next slide and see what is that. So don't eat me, because now you have understood that the lysosome perform the function of phagocytosis. That's all about lysosome. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That's all.